Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Spongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, Kwenzo is overwhelmed following the finalization of his divorce. In a moment of catharsis, Peteni finally finds level ground with her mother. On Tuesday, Peteni is torn apart by guilt. Heartbroken and lost, Sibongile faces the crushing reality of being cast out from the Amateur group. Njengaya's excitement spirals into unintended pressure on Temba. On Wednesday, to Peteni's fury, Nengelosi takes over the household. Temba is under pressure from Njengaya to play well. He wins man of the match, but his win stirs up jealousy in Wenzeni. Thank you guys for watching.